own cashmere and you don't know how to properly take care of it, well, I'm going to show you just how to do that. So hold on right there. Hey guys, Erin with Wardrobe Hackers, and today I'm going to talk about how to properly care and clean your cashmere. Lots of us own cashmere sweaters, coats, gloves, scarves, and we know that it's a really luxurious fabric and it's soft and it really needs to be cared for in a different manner than other clothes. So I've got my husband's cashmere sweater here. And what you're going to start off doing is have a nice clean sink in your home to clean this. I rather use a sink than use the wash machine just because of the delicacy of the sweater. So you're going to want to have some lukewarm water in your sink. And I also like to use Woolite. So you're just going to, use your lid here and you're just going to stick some in your sink. And what you're first going to want to do is just submerge the sweater into the sink. Okay, I've got my lukewarm water here and my Woolite already in. And now if your sweater has buttons on them, you're going to just want to unbutton those buttons to help clean. And then what you're going to want to do is just gently submerge the sweater into the lukewarm water. So I'm easily going to put it in here, kind of keeping it in a ball. You don't want to stretch the sweater because it will come out stretched. You want to try to keep the sweater in place, and you're going to knead your fingers into the sweater, getting that detergent in there and really cleaning it up. Now you're going to want to do this for about 10 minutes. So I can see some of the water turning just a tad blue, which is really normal. It's definitely the Woolite's going to keep the color intact in your sweater, so you won't have to worry about any of that. So we're just going to gently knead our fingers in. So after you knead into the sweater for 10 minutes, really getting that detergent in, you're going to leave the sweater in the water for 15 to 20 minutes to soak and get really extra clean. And then you're going to come back and do the next step. All right, so once your sweater has soaked for 15 to 20 minutes, you're going to want to pull it out into a ball. Never pull the sweater up by the shoulders or the hem. That will stretch the sweater. So we're going to let this water out. Our dirty water is going out. We're just going to squeeze the remainder juice out. Juice, like suds and stuff. And then we're going to fill our sink back up. We're going to just clean it out. We're going to fill it back up with cool water, and we're going to let it clean in the cool water. Okay, so once we've cleaned out all of our suds with cold water, we're going to take our cashmere sweater ball and we're going to walk it over to a white towel. And we're going to lay it out on the white towel. This is going to help it dry quickly and very easily. Just going to lay it easily out just like this. And what you're going to want to do is grab a second white towel and you're going to place it over the sweater. And you can do this with all of your sweaters, even if it's a wool sweater. It doesn't just have to be cashmere. It's just a great way to extend the life of your sweaters. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to roll it up just like this. This is going to get out any excess water that is still in the sweater and just help it dry. And we're going to keep it like this until it dries. And once it dries, something that you can use to get off any pills is going to be these great sweater combs by Comfy Clothiers. They'll get off anything else that's left on the sweater. Just a great another product for your cashmere items that you own. All right, so after you've rolled it up and you've gotten all that excess water out, you're going to want to lay the cashmere sweater on a drying rack and let it air dry. So I hope you have found this video helpful? And if so, please go on and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can like us on social media and leave us some comments. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.